Today's recipe is a quick and delicious snack. Easy, cheesy, veggie bread pockets that you can make in an air fryer. 2 different yummy fillings. Let's make this together. We are going to start with a regular white bread. The first thing we are going to do is trim off the edges. Next, we are going to slightly dampen both sides of the bread. It's easiest to do it with a brush. Don't make it too soggy. Using a rolling pin, we are going to flatten the bread a little more. And since the bread is a little bit damp, you're going to flatten it very easily. When I make this recipe with my kids, this is the part they do and they thoroughly enjoy it. For the first filling, we are going to start by spreading some mayonnaise. Next, we're going to sprinkle some pepper and some salt. And next, add veggies of your choice. I added some cabbage, some carrot, some bell pepper. And not to forget some yummy cheese. I'm using some aged cheddar cheese, but you can use any cheese of your choice. Just press the fillings in, fold the bread over and press it in. It's going to seal pretty easily. We're going to seal all the sides to form a pocket. In case the seal is not very tight, just dampen your fingers a little bit and press it in, and that should help. And next we are going to apply some butter on both sides because we want it to turn crisp and golden brown in the air fryer, don't we? For the second filling, we are going to start with a dab of tomato ketchup. If you have pizza sauce, even better. Next, we are going to sprinkle some dried oregano, followed by some red chili flakes to taste, followed by some bell pepper, some red onion. I also added some olives to give that pizza feeling, but you can totally also add some mushroom or chicken. And of course we need stretchy mozzarella cheese for the pizza flavored one, right? And similarly, we are going to seal this one too. Guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Consider subscribing for yummy recipes every week. Alright, done applying butter on both sides, and now this goes into the air fryer basket. My air fryer fits 6 at a time. No preheating of the air fryer is required. I'm putting it in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't need 15 minutes. Let's check after 4 minutes or so. It's already turned slightly golden brown and crisp. Just about 2 or 3 more minutes and perfection. They are crisp. They smell so good. Make sure to keep it on a paper towel so it doesn't turn soggy. And you can serve it up with some ketchup or mayonnaise or any of your favorite dips. Guys, both the flavors taste so good. My kids gobbled it up in 5 minutes. I hope you enjoy them too. Alright guys, if you're on any of these different social media sites, do follow me. If you like written recipes, I have a blog. The link is in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you see what you're missing out? Press that subscribe button and the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, bye-bye.